All right, I think I should be unmuted now. What's up, Manuel? Let me just fix this. Back from London with a new account. Hoping for the best. All right, nice, bro. Nice, 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 nice. My thing is kinda slow. What's up with my PC? Nevertheless, okay. Okay, now we should be ready. Have I missed something? What's with the gambling confluence? What's that? Gambling confluence. No idea. I haven't been active on the server. Why? I see some gambling. Oh, today is the starting time day of. What's with the gambling? The stream. What? What's up? I don't know if I don't know. Ah, yeah. I'm talking with the or they who manage it. He's looking for somebody to sort it out. But yeah. The thing is, it will be smooth. He's back at the 3rd of 4th of March. March. So that's why we have some issues right now. Finally, bro, I miss you. Where are you? What's up, Thomas? But yeah, Emmanuel, we're on it. Let's see. How's everything's going? Good, bro. I had my master's part. I had it finished actually yesterday. That's why I've been so offline from the server and so on. But yeah, it's good. How are you guys? Oy, oy, oy. What's up, Eren? Good morning, Musan. Oh my, that's amazing. Thank you, bro. Yeah. So, most of the thesis is going great as of now. How's everything? All good, bro. What's your name? PSK 09. I'm gonna call you 09. All good, bro. How are you? Congratulations. Thank you. Hello, bro. What's up, Mo? What's up, guys? We won't have as many people here today as we usually have because they have Fabio's uh, lectures today. That's fine. Good, bro. I like your videos best. Nice, nice, nice. Glad to hear it, bro. Good. What's up, Karim? What's up, Mr. Karim? Hmm, interesting. Hey, dude, tell me when Nomad spots are gonna open. I would like to be part of backtest and code report sessions. All right, nice. Yeah, we're gonna look into it. I don't remember when Durant is back. I think he's back actually this week. That's why we didn't have any code report or anything because he's the one that's holding it. But yeah, I will alert everyone. Pablo, Discord doesn't allow me to send you PM regarding food. It's okay. Wait 1 second, bro. Let me just add you. I don't usually add people, but Karim, you've been here since. I sent you a friend request. Okay, nice, Karim. I'm gonna take a look at what you wrote. Appreciate it, bro. Hmm. Let me just. You can remove friend request again if you like. Just probably it's fine. It's fine. Anyone able to? What's the diff with volume profile daily or RTH? Do you mean eat? We have electronic trading hours and we have regular trading hours. Okay. Regular trading hours is only New York session. Electronic trading hours is Asia, London, and New York session together. Okay. So the difference is just that. But essentially, what you want to focus on is regular trading hours because that's the most important session. That's for the volume profiling. Non-financial advice. Once again. Do you do gold futures? Nope. Only Nasdaq. Yo, we gotta solve this really quickly. Try something. What's going today? What do you think about Nasdaq today? Is it volatile today? No idea, bro. We haven't opened yet. 1 minute left. Let's see. Okay, whilst we're waiting for that, okay, we got market opening 1 minute. Let's focus. And we're off. Okay, let's see. Pre-market profile, balance. KKK. What time frames do you trade? 5 minute and 1 minute. Now I'm transitioning to 1 minute more. I don't know if you, yeah, Emmanuel. I think you've been on my last streams. Like, yeah, I win a lot more on 1 minute, but I use the logic of the range chart. If, like Morse model, I use Morse model on the 1 minute. For example, look at this same model. But yeah. Okay, let's see. Maybe if we accept back into previous days value area. Am I even on my lucid? Okay, I'm on my lucid. Okay, I missed because I was typing them. Um, okay, let's see. Let's see. If it takes me out, take me out now. So it doesn't take me up all the way up the book. Okay, nice. Let's see. Oh shit, I'm not even on my Lucid. Okay, now I'm on my Lucid. Okay, ignore that. Oh, we gotta fix some stuff. Up 3. Nice, bro. For some reason, the project thing is not up. We have to fix it. It blew up. You're looking for short. I don't know what. I'm not looking for anything right now. It's 5 minutes into the market. I just tried to execute something small, just to test out, because this is my sim. Sometimes it takes the execution on the sim account instead of the Lucid. So yeah, right now I don't know what I'm looking for. We were Yesterday was a bank day. It was just trading inside, so I just merged them. Technically, I'm still looking maybe for sells, but that will be up here actually. Yeah, or even maybe here at book. Let me see. Let's see. Oh, nice. Okay, now I can focus. Stuff have been resolved. All right, all right, all right, all right. Hi, bro. New here. Welcome. Lucky Sniper. Welcome. Can you connect Deepcharts with Lucid and Ape? Yes, you connect. I don't know with Apex, but Lucid definitely. Yes. New. Okay, let me just mute this. Okay, this is not financial advice, so anyone knows. Just for entertainment purpose. So now I have said it, and I can yap shit. I can talk now. Um, interesting. Oof, we are in a red zone, man. I think I know what I might be looking for then. But now we're at POC. So yeah, just chilling now. Can you suggest me best broker for trading futures? Um, to be honest, no idea. You know what? Are you in the Discord? Go into the Discord. We have some guys that knows that have tested everything. So I don't think I should suggest anything. I haven't tested a lot of them, but yeah, go into the Discord and ask people. They will know definitely. Optimus. Optimus. What? What? With what preference should I trade? Bro, Lucid, I guess. I don't know. He's good. He works with Deepcharts. Thoughts on ICT? Bro, have I missed something else on with ICT? Have he? Don't tell me he's talk shit again with Andrea. That shit never stops, man. They keep on yapping. Just trade and yeah. But I see why Andrea would want to argue with ICT. He's the biggest in the space. So arguing with him will get more traffic to Andrea in deep charts. That makes sense. This is at POC. Never liked it. Never liked trading around POC. It's only been like 50 minutes of the market open. What could be interesting would be something like this. Bounce from here up to retest. But when we move this much away, now I feel like I'm just looking for something to take a trade off. Wanna see if these guys get trapped on the retest or if they will win. Might be super risky catching the knife. Worth a shot. Maybe a retest up here. Since this, I'm gonna scale out maybe up here if it goes. This would be a really tiny. Okay, scaling out half. Thank you. I'm not gonna give it back so easily. Let's see. If it goes below now, then you can take me out. Eh. I think this could still be, by the way, not financial advice. Could have killed it there at 1 to 2. But this is like catching the knife, not the most ideal. But we can see. That's a win at least. Good thing I killed it. Little more interesting now though. What? Let's look at the left side. Where is the most significant buy level? If we breach this, I'm not gonna say what's gonna happen, obviously, because I don't know what will happen. We're just reacting to what we see. Value area low on this profile, on this balanced area. Most significant buy level. Yeah. Interesting to see what happens when we come down here, if we come down here. putting myself to break even really fast if this holds. So if we go below here, if we push below this right here, yeah, I'm going break even now. Risk-free trade. Let's see if it sends it. I'm gonna cover myself above because if this goes back right now, take me out with a profit. Okay, took me out. That's also a win, I guess. 1-1. The reason why I'm not letting it, because this is in the balance area, not the most ideal place to take trades, of course. We will bounce around, take you out so quick. If you're gonna take, not financial advice, never mind, don't listen. I'm just yapping. I guess I can say from my past experience taking trades in a balanced area, okay, this was the move I was looking for. I usually lose when I don't put myself to break even really quick. That's something I guess I can say without getting any problems legally. But yeah, trade was like this. We accepted back into value. Here's some trapped buyers. You want to cover yourself above here, aim here, but yeah, that's it. Now it's really interesting to see what will happen here. We are below the most aggressive buy level. From that, yeah, we're below it now. If we see some big aggressive sellers here now, really interesting pushing it lower, then who knows. And I also know we have a reload level right here. Wait, let me just mark this one out because this is also a buy aggression level. But this is the most significant sell level. And it makes sense that it reloaded. Look at this push. Okay, well, here we got some aggressive buyers. Interesting. They are losing. Or? I don't know. Not financial. Yeah, I have to keep repeating. It's just for entertainment purpose. What's up, Rio? What's up, Rio? Yo, this is really interesting to see now. These sellers trapped. These buyers. Fucking voice crack. These buyers are getting paid. Yo, my my bad if I make those sound effects after. It's from a internal. How can I say it? Internal joke. I don't know if I said it right. Insider joke. Yeah, that's right. I have a friend. Usually, when he gets a voice crack, we usually say, "Yeah, okay, never mind, guys." Took that shot from the top. Nice. I want to see what happens now. Yo, we push below the most aggressive level from the sellers. These buyers got destroyed. These ones. These guys got recovered and paid. Is it a free fall for today as well? Let me get some water, bro. That's why I get those damn voice cracks. I'm Big chug. I'm dry. Or how you say it? Noise. Very nice. Could be fake. I'll wait for 5 minutes to can't print. Yeah, I'm waiting. You could. I. That's the thing. You can be aggressive. Try to, like, how you say it when you take the trade anticipating that it will get the breakout. But yeah, you can also wait, like Rio said. That's true. Look at this, bro. If we are going lower now. Oi, oi, oi. Next level is down here only. This is balance zone. Yeah. Target was 25, 5, 8. Nice, 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 nice. Hmm. Yeah, I tried to take this trade, Rio. I took this one. Stop loss was here above. I want to aim down here. Something like that. We moved lower. I put myself to break even. Came up to stop loss. But that's because we're in a balance zone. I don't want to, it can be choppy. So that's why I put myself to break even really fast. Yes, really fast. Okay. So we just see if sellers can keep it. Let's see. Yeah, they are pushing. Let's see. I'm up for today, but yeah. Top tick, short from previous day, poke after 100. Ah, you took the short up here? Nice, man. Nice. After 145 absorb. Clean, bro. Clean. I don't have the filter. I had it for 60, but yeah. Clean, bro. You know what? I need more data on how to take trades from poke. You guys understand why I don't like it, because this is like a magnet, so it makes sense that it will just chop, 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 and chop you out. So that's why I don't like to take trades from it. But yeah. Okay, buddy. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, 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 oi. This is interesting. Holy. Like taking this right now. I don't know. Ah. You guys see the battle? This is the battle. So essentially, if I would take the trade from here on this, it's like in the middle of the battle. Maybe favoring more going downside, but of course, yeah. Nice. But yesterday already accepted value below your house. Rejection of puck was likely as well. All right, nice, nice, clean. As long as you make money, bro. This is the battle right now. And today's puck is also down here. So I don't know. I don't know. Seems like seller's gonna win it though. You know what? Looking at the tool, I think we have a way. We have some movements lower. We have a move down maybe. Fabio streams now, so no worries, bro. Good luck. Will do. Yeah, this will be interesting. Yeah, many people are at Fabio's stream today. Interesting to see how he would trade this. Recover sellers right here. This is all recovered sellers. We have POC below us. We are at POC at the moment. Today is POC, and this is also a long time ago balanced POC area right below. So this is a POC POC. Yeah. Okay. And now these sellers, what happened here? These sellers are not winning at the moment. So if these sellers are getting destroyed like this, maybe move up. A big indication that it might go up. Once again, we are at POC. That's why I'm staying out of it. I'm just gonna try it. I'm gonna risk my profits. Why not? And I'm going break even right here. Okay, thank you for the 40. This is small scalping. Nothing. Nothing big. Was it 1 to 1? Yeah. Gonna mark out this whole swing. So buyers to control from here. Clearly. This sell aggression got destroyed. Next level. These guys got recovered. I'm gonna try it. Risking my profits. I'm going break even if when we touch here, if we go up here. So if we trade above this candle right here, break even at directly. Otherwise, you can take me out here, and I'm still not down for today. Okay, I'm break even right now. You know what? Yeah. Try to take a profit there, but I think I'm gonna get stopped off for break even. Was a little slow. Okay. Maybe it still might go now when I look at it. Okay, let's give it a try. Why not? Let me try to risk. Yeah, I'm gonna risk this only. $50. Okay, good. They really didn't give up this zone. Yeah, we're back soon at POC. Okay. Which broker do you use? I'm trading on Lucid. So, yeah, and I use Rhythmic data. Today might be a really slow day, bro. Yesterday we had a bank holiday. So, yeah. Don't expect that much, to be honest. Let's do this. I want to see. Let's see. 112 on 125k. You think I should call it a day or do I keep going? Up to you. It's up to you, bro. But I don't know. Today feels like maybe, yeah, maybe you should be done for today. Plus 112, bro. How much do you need? 1,500, huh? That's the amount you need, bro. If you have plus 112, yeah, call it, bro. However, something that Tom Hugar said is that when you're winning, keep going, like keep pushing. When you're losing, that's when you should call it. It's like in casino, you know. Many people when they lose, they bet more, and then you bust the account. But when they are winning, they bet less. You know, it should be vice versa. So essentially, what I'm doing is when I win, I bet more because when I lose it, I'm break even. So it's fine. Hey guys, I'm selling my deep. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not involved in that business. This is interesting. 5 minute closure. We are at current state Spock. That's right. Yeah. So I don't know. This is. Here's the battle. I'm really tempted to try a long down here, maybe, because trapped sellers seems like we're forming a range. So this value low as well. But yeah, nothing. But this is POC as well, so I don't know. Yeah, feel maybe feel it's like I'm forcing trades right now. Is somebody trading this chop? But I guess Fabio said after winning, giving back that also losing quite bad. So it's a bit confusing. Wait, but I guess Fabio said after winning, giving back that also. Yeah. Bro. In short, yeah, I don't understand what you mean. In short, just do the opposite of what everyone else is doing. And what is everyone doing? When they are losing, they are betting more. I've done it. Trust me. That's why we bust accounts. That was why I busted accounts. I understood it and was like, okay, this is the reason. This is purely the reason. When I lose, I went even harder because I wanted to recover the loss. Yeah, that's exactly the reason that why the majority fails. I'm gonna be honest. Do the opposite. When you're winning, bet more. When you're losing, not financial advice. Not financial advice. This is what I'm doing. I'm gonna bet more when I win. I'm gonna bet less when I lose. They poke. Now we're at the not poke. Yes, me. Yeah, that's total game while losing. Yeah, I short again from the level path. Which this one? You take short from here. Yeah, this is chop. I really don't like. I could force myself to take some trades here to play the range, but it's so unnecessary. So unnecessary, bro. Just thug it out, chillax, wait. If nothing, we close the chart. 25, 5. Ah, okay, Rio, you shorted from here. Nice. This is clearly the battle. Super clearly the battle. So if you're somebody's taking trades in the middle, yikes. Good luck, bro. You're gonna wait. Hopefully you make money, but you're gonna have to wait until somebody shows who is controlling. Looks like the sellers are like overall. Never mind. Right now I don't know who is controlling. Doesn't look like anybody's controlling. We came from a a bearish move. But now we are equal. Balanced. You can see better the range on 40. Yeah, I know. I've used 40. It's good for range action. If we go to 24, 4, 5, 4. Okay, let's see. If we pushed up, so yeah, that's true. Obviously, if we push below here, then the sellers will have reclaimed the auction. Then we would definitely, most likely, push. Right now, this is a range. One could be tempted to take trades like this. Back to poke, vice versa. But I feel like, bro, ranging trades, bro. I swear I get stopped out so many times. It's not worth it. I don't make money on this. I really don't make money on range trades. Okay. Let's see. Is this the push? Recover them above? Or we fail? Let's make the chart cleaner. Say that they push above. Where do we expect? Here's a reload level, by the way. Looks like, look at the foot. They are pushing the pedal. Maybe it will be a whoosh. What the heck is? Here's a low volume node. Big sellers here. So now the real question is, would you anticipate the breakout or wait? Yeah, sellers at the bottom, buyers at the top. Okay, this looks interesting now. Interesting. I'm long if we break 24,507. Nice. Yeah, I was thinking about maybe a stop buy above here. Nice, bro. You took it. I like it. I like it. Maybe up here. Oi, oi, oi. Look at this, bro. I'm gonna enter small position, maybe anticipating a continuation here. Stop right above here if we reclaim this. If this doesn't get recovered, or like if we're losing here, I'm not gonna lose that much money actually, because I have a small position. But however, now I'm risking more. Let's take my step to break even, or put my stop loss now. I like it. Next obstacle here. Gonna trim. Take 50 off. cover myself below here, because if this goes below here and they fail, take me out. Let's see if they send it. Okay, recovered. Well, let's see what happens here. This is the battle. I'm covering myself right below here. Don't want to be here if they fail here. If there's hesitation here, take me out. Not good. Buyers are losing. Let's see. Yeah, I'm getting stopped out. Okay, good. Take me out. Negative 60. These guys they lost. These guys as well. Yeah, then I don't want to. Even if it could go now, I would not want to be here in the trade. Good, 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 good. Yeah, and I will long from neither retest and I will long. Nice. Okay, good. This is why I love. You know what I love more than winning trades is when I know when to kill the trade. You see how much money I'm saving just by understanding who is winning and losing. You make. I think that's even better than winning, to be honest. Even if you lose. Here's the retest. This was the one that we recovered. May have missed the trade now. I will still want some more evidence. Maybe we might even go lower, to be honest. Wait, was this a buy level? No, it was a sell. There is a VWAP actually, maybe break retest of the VWAP. Okay, okay. VWAP player. Ay, ay, ay. Let me see VWAP. I guess this is VWAP. I haven't used it really. Is this the... Okay. Ah. Okay, cool, cool. Really spot on VWAP. Yikes. Yeah, you have to look at many stuff. Yeah, I might try something here based on my back testing. This is the retest, yeah? But acceptance into it like this. I don't think I'm gonna take it, but I'm gonna just plot it to see how it goes. Okay, maybe giving it some more breathing room, to be honest. But yeah. Something like this. I want to see what happens if we would have played out. You see this when they have I call it a shaved butt. You see, they usually recover it. That's from my previous price action trading. I've seen it. I usually trade it like that. If I see a shaved butt, I take it in the direction to like, uh, so it creates a wick on it. But yeah. Okay, looks like it would have played out. Back into the balance. Yes. Short from 25, 504. Where did you take your short from? 25. Okay, you took here. Okay. Back into balance. Yeah. No, it's just a matter of staying out of it, I guess. This is a boring session. Not the most fun. This oh. Yeah, maybe a much more better day tomorrow. I'll break even. Or I'm negative 60, but technically break even then. Let's watch the 40 range to see how it looks. I can already anticipate many ranges here. Look at this. Here's your range. Look at this. Here's more model. No? No, I didn't touch it. No entry. I'm gonna try something. Don't think I will be doing any more trading today after this trade. Or if we don't get something, but yeah. This is risky. This is risky. Let's see. Did I pre-fade the move? Back up. No. I don't like this. It didn't close as a bullish candle. Okay, I'm gonna kill it manually. Because maybe it might flick out. Yeah, I'm not gonna take more trades. And this is not. I'm just testing something here right now. Then. Let's see. Will I anticipate the move up now? Wick on wick. If they reclaim this, I have to take myself out quickly. Looks like they're gonna maybe do. Let's see. Okay, I'm waiting for a little more evidence. I took myself out for break even. Because I want to see what happens here right now. They're pushing quite heavily. Yeah, bro. They are pushing. They are pushing. Oi, oi, oi. We might get something, huh? I got breaking. We'll direct from poke. Yeah, I was anticipating something. Maybe let's see, bro. This is really not the most ideal place to maybe take trades. Now it's transitioning to something like gambling, like raw gambling. Trading in itself is already gambling, but this is. This might be my game plan, not financial advice. Retest here on value very low. Find some sellers. Recover these fellas. And then look for short. Or we recover them, test, and go. I don't know. I really don't know. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Okay, we are in a red zone. Speed of tape to anticipate long now. Did you saw how they got absorbed? Look at this. But I understand what you mean. Yeah. Let's see. This is still POC. This is a POC from several days ago. And we have POC right above as well. You see, this is two POCs. We are in a balance zone. So this is to navigate here, bro. This is, yeah. Let's see. Maybe that speed of tape, because look at they got absorbed. No results. Not that much. Now on the next candle, pushing. More says to put 100 line to speed of the. Yeah, you put that's to anticipate reversals. That's a good point, actually. That's a good point, actually. Nice, Andre. Let's see if it works, if it plays out. Okay, here's the retest. We got the retest. But we touched POC. And according to my statistics, if we touch POC, they usually send it up to value area high. But you never know. You never know. So is it... I wonder if they will send it now up to value area high. Look at speed of tape, buyers. Interested. I have a model for this. Touch the POC. We come back into this zone and then send it. Or we usually just send it. Ah, this is a really shitty place to take trades. And of course, maybe somebody's making money here. Okay, let's see the retest. What's gonna happen if we recover these buyers or these sellers? That could also be interesting. This in itself is already a rejection level. You know what? I'm gonna try playing both sides. I'm gonna try to play both sides. So if we go below here and recover them, take me out, and then I'm gonna look for short. If not, here's the retest and perhaps the push up. All the way up here. The 5 minute doesn't look good though. I don't like the 5 minute. Nah, I don't think this is gonna hold. Okay, I'm killing it. Yo, maybe we get the other play. Interesting. Interesting. Will we get the play? or we will not. Now it may. Ah, I love balance zones. I love them. Yeah, I missed it. I think my entry was something like this, right? Might still get the play. Still really risky. We got two. We got a poke right above us. We got a poke right here. Would one want to take trades here? Yeah. Very strong buy zone there. Yeah. Yeah, I don't like it. I really don't like it. I'd rather not win money than being destroyed. You see where it touched? Poke again. And back. So we're just bouncing once again. I wonder though, is the risk worth it? Maybe one contract up. Yeah. One contract is not gonna kill me. And if it's gonna work, yeah, I'm gonna make money. This is all a big cluster. But you have till poke 40, 50 points is good. Yeah, you can take the small scabs. Like right now, I could kill the trade right here. This is poke again. That's actually true. Maybe I should stop greedy. How about this? If you touch poke right now, then I might go break even or something. Hyper scapping here would be nice. As soon as we come to poke, break even or stop loss in win, stopping win. Ah, he didn't let me. Okay, I'll take that win. I really don't. You know what? I may be done for today. This is a really boring market. Just trading between pokes. That's super dead. I remember when you first started streaming, you're way better at O or OF. You know, when I read OF, I'm like, you mean O? You know what? I'm more comfortable. Yeah, appreciate it, bro. Yeah, I feel it feels better trade, and I'm not that comfortable in the new stuff. That's the thing. But in my old models, yeah, I know what to do at least in my old models. On the new stuff, nah, not so much. Like Morse model, ah. But I appreciate the kind words, bro. Very much. Okay, I'm gonna just chill with you guys till just 50 more minutes and then I'm off. I'm going over to a demo account, sim account. I'm not gonna trade on my prop firm anymore. So you guys know. So now it's just limit testing. This could have been the trade. We're not comfortable when we have poke like this. Really not. Now could be a good time to see how could one re-enter here for the continuation. How could one re-enter here? Maybe the range retest model. Morals model. If we get it, of course. Maybe a stop by right above. So if it goes... okay, not like this then. Damn, my throat. Yeah, okay. That could have been the trade, huh? I don't know how good it would have been, but I guess. Now, where can we anticipate it to step back in? Sellers. Here. How you manage to interact with... no, I'm not looking at it, bro, no. Durant's gonna do lecture for us more about it. Yeah, I know. I'm not using volume profile. I only combine fully option chain and a book map to get the entry. Nice. Nice, nice. In the initiation at 6010. Ah, you mean this? Yeah, let's see. I marked out this because this is a aggressive level. We got here. We have an obstacle like they're defending here, but let's see. Yeah, otherwise we have it up here. This zone is really good also. We got several zones, but this one also makes sense. Ay, ay, ay. I'm break even on the day, by the way, guys. Yeah. Hopefully, a better day tomorrow. I'm gonna try this. I don't. I'm just testing it. No, it's not on my real account, but yeah, just to see how the sell aggression, because I know some people trade it like this, just to see how it acts. We have a sell aggression level. We got candle closure like this, wick on wick. I don't know, blah 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 blah. And then I think he does something like this. As soon as we go below here, break even. And then he trades it like that. This is some hyper scalping though. That's definitely But this is, I was too early, but essentially this is the trade here. And then you trail it as soon as you go below. I think this can, something like that. Like, damn, you have like 200 ways to trade. You pick. I trade NQ, but I look at SPX. It's a put support, so I target here. We're at 6,800. Okay, nice. Where are you using Duke Pro? Are you using Spot Gamma and Hero? Yo, wait a second. It reacted from here, bro. Oppa. Send it. I love it. As soon as I'm closing the stream, then we get some moves, huh? Okay, nice, Luke. I trade limit orders on overnight profile using the profile to assume which side to. Okay, nice, Adam. Interesting. What did you trade before order flow? What everyone in here, I think, did trade. ICT. I traded price action trends from Al Brooks. I traded Tom Hugard. I did all of that stuff. Price action, bro. Price action. That's what I traded. Price action. Did not go so good, huh? I got my first payout as soon as I swapped over to order flow. That should say everything. Fucking lost every time. Like, I got funded, of course, but no, bro, not in the long term, bro. That not it wouldn't work. Yup, PIA is better than ICT. Right? Yeah. I like Al Brooks' approach, bro. Yeah, really simple, and it makes sense why some stuff like you can't trade it. Of course, is because really simple. Like, you buy. He said something like this. You try to do something like this. You buy above prior bar. Hey, maybe 1 to 2. I don't know. On the 5 minute, you usually trade it on ES. Bro, that's it. And he says some things that are still today apply, which is like the market has inertia. I don't know how you say it, pronounce it. Basically, if we are ranging, we want to keep ranging. If we are trending, we want to keep trending. Does that make sense? Makes sense. That's like saying if we are balanced, we want to keep being balanced. That applies exactly to order flow. If we are trending, we want to keep trending. That's imbalanced market until we find a balanced market. You see? What's your favorite entry? Wick entry. Something like this. I did not take this, but yeah. Wicks. Breakout. Retest. Like, we come back. Here's your trade. Cover above. Aim lower. The wicks, I love it. And then I like I call it the battle of order. Fabio said something else, but I called it the battle of order. It was easier for me to understand it like that. I came up with that pronunciation, or not pronunciation, term. So buyers here, sellers here. If we close like this, for example, in a bullish opportunity, then this. That's it. One side losing, one side winning. Have you passed evaluation? No, but I'm really close to it on one account, and I don't want to trade it because I want to still practice. I don't want to go into funded right now. So I had to swap actually. This might be a dumb question, but are you profit now due to order flow? No, it's not dumb, bro. 6 months getting consistent payouts, then I can answer that question. Right now, I'm just practicing, but if I want to make money, I know what to use. I will know what to trade, but I'm not aiming for that right now. Yeah, in short. But if your question is more about can you be profitable, like easy with order flow, 100%. I don't give a shit about what anybody says. That's 100%. If you, yeah, order flow can make you money. Trust me that. Like, trust. This makes sense compared to what I used before. True, 6 months, no blown account. Exactly, yeah, bro. 6 months. Never 2 weeks, and then if you get, like, I've gotten payouts, bro, and I still don't claim myself as being profitable because I have to live on it as well, bro. And no, that you don't really need. As long as you can manage your accounts, get payouts, you're getting paid. As long as you can take money out of the market consistently, then you are profitable. And I would say 6 months. Then you can say if you're profitable. Not some bullshit. You take a payout and then you're like, yeah. Yo, guys. Yeah, now look at let's look at this 15 seconds. By the way, look at this. Okay, now it went. Range. Send it. No, misclick. Okay, I'm done with trading in 2 minutes. This is on my demo account. This is not a real account. "15-second chart, bro. Who is trading on this? This is some fast stuff. I feel like this is like range chart, to be honest, but yeah. Bomb. Execution. I started 3 months ago and I haven't even passed, not even a year. I feel like IC just doesn't make sense. Bro, leave the dark side, bro. Come over to us. Leave that shit, bro. Come over. I've been in your situation. I've been exactly where you have been. Trust me, bro. Leave that shit. Come over to this word. What's up out there? So that's like a balance mark in 15 seconds. Yeah, exactly. This is a balance market. But on the 1 minute, on the 5 minutes, it looks like nothing. But on the 1 minute, yeah, like you see, the market is fractional. Options and order flow best. I see really. I see is price action. Okay, it can work if like it can work. Nah, never mind, bro. It didn't work for me. Okay, maybe it works for somebody else. All I'm saying is, as soon as I dropped that shit, I got payouts. That's all I'm gonna say. Let's leave it at that, okay? I'm not trash talking people that trade ICT or anything, but for me, for myself, bro, as soon as I left that, I started to make money. Oh, shit. All right. Time is 5 o'clock at my time. Thank you, everyone here. Tomorrow will be many more people, I think, because so many people are at Fabio's scalping session. But yeah, I'm done for today. Good luck if you're gonna keep trading. So yeah, please answer this. Okay, I'm gonna be here until you. I'm gonna answer your question and then I'm turning it off. Bye to everyone else. All right, Akash, let me know, what do you need? I am leaving the dark. Yeah, bro, fuck that shit. Come over to us. Take it. All right, bye bye, Thomas. It's 10 p.m. in my time. What the? Oh shit, bro, are you from? You're American, maybe, huh, Aaron? See you. All right, see you, Alp Demir. Allah. Okay, Akash, let me know, what do you need help with? When I'm trying to hold a trade, I will close on fair. Backtest. You have to backtest. Backtest, bro. Backtest. Yeah, I know exactly why why you get that feeling. You don't trust your model. Backtest. Or maybe you're in drawdown and you want to make money back fast, and then you're like, oh no, I don't want to lose anymore. That's why. But in the end, backtest that shit, okay? Because you will rely on your statistics, not on your feelings when you trade them. I'm from Bangladesh. Nice, bro, nice. Bangladesh, you guys are okay. You have that time there. Thanks, no worries, Andre. How's the backtesting on Deepcharts? Good. I like it. It's good. Yeah, I don't have confidence to hold. Backtest. That's it. Really, that's it. That's it. Bro, you guys want to know how to get profitable in trading? It's what everyone says, but not many people are doing it. And it looks like something like I'm doing right here, and I've done in my past trading sessions, losing, but testing. Losing and testing. This is my front testing sessions. I'm doing back testing behind the scenes, and I'm losing and I'm winning. I'm losing and winning. That's the thing. You just have to back test. And when you have the statistics, bro, just follow the fucking model and that's it. That's the hard part. Actually, that's the hard part. Following it. Because that's the mental thing. All right, guys. Thank you, everyone. Have a good rest of your days. Bye-bye.